Okay, this is a reenactment of Bubby's first ever deer. We're so excited that the film's gonna be probably a little bit rough, but we had so much fun. Here's the woods over here. We're sitting in the tree stand, and over here on the left, Daddy sees a deer walking through the woods. And I can't tell what it is. And he starts to make some circles through the woods, and he comes out. He's gonna come over here on our left is what we think. And we can't get a shot because he's in the woods. We don't want to take a bad shot. So then he starts walking over here, and I'm like, oh man, get ready, Dub, get ready, Dub. And here's Dub. You think he ain't ready? He's like a rifleman. He's a sniper ready to get somebody. So get a deer. And so the deer right over there, right there out in front of us, he starts creeping towards the edge of the woods. And I said, okay, buddy. Wyatt's sitting between my legs, and he's got the gun on his shoulder. I said, man, you know where you're gonna aim, right? We're talking real quiet. You know where you're gonna aim, right, buddy? He said, yeah, I know where I'm going, Daddy. Okay. He steps out on the edge of the woods, and then he walks out in the middle of the field right here. And I'm like, oh my goodness, dude, he's broadside. He's right there. And he's got horns. And we don't know what he is. He looks like a little spike, but he's got horns. Okay, so then Dub gets over and he gets the scope on him. Get the scope on him, dude. Got it on him. Point over there where you shot him at. Yeah, a little bit over that way. There you go. That's right. That's where he was. And all of a sudden you hear, boom! I'm like, oh, did you get him? And then I see his front shoulder just drop to the ground, and he gets back up and he runs through that patch of woods over there, and then you can see how there's a little road over there. I'm like, oh man, I know you hit him, but I know you hit him, so I know you got him, but he went down that road over there. Okay, man, let's climb down, let's go get him. Here, I'll hold the gun. Let me hold the gun, climb down and go get him. Come on, let's go see if we can find him. I don't know if we can find him or not. Be careful getting down. Okay, be careful. Here he goes. Be careful, man. Be careful, bud. Okay, I'm gonna have to climb down with the gun and the camera now, but the gun's empty. Here we go. Alright, bud. Okay, here we go. There's Dub down there. He's like, Daddy, let's go get our deer. What you think, dog? Let's go get him. Let's see if we can find him. Okay, here, I'm gonna pause it while I go down the bottom of the stairs. No, I'm gonna leave it running because I want it to video the whole time. So here I go, I'm climbing down. Alright, I'm climbing down. Hey, sissy, Bubby shot a deer. We gotta go find it. We can't wait, we're so excited. Bubby shot a deer. Wow! Bubby shot a deer. Bubby, look at me. Let's go find that deer. Let's go find him, man. Come on. Here we go. Walking through. Go show me where you shot him at, where he was laying on, where you hit him over here in the woods. Let's walk across the field. Go see if we can find his deer tracks. Come on, man. Come on. Let's go see if we can get him. Oh, buddy. Oh man, there's deer tracks all over this field. They've been camping out in here. Man. So right over here is where he was. This is where we shot. But we couldn't find any blood. Man. We're like, well, I know you got him. I know you got him. But he went right through here. Let's go see if we can find him. Okay, right through here is where he went. Come on, bub, lead the way for me. See if you can show him to me. When you see him, you show him to me, okay? Hey, Wyatt, when you see him, get real excited, okay? Right through here, man. Right through here. When you see him, get real excited, okay? Let's see if we can find him, man. Right through these trees and brush. There's a little road up here. The one we saw those deer on before. Take me through here. Oh, I think he went through here. Look right here. There's a little beat down path. Go in front of me. That's where I think he was going through. Come on. Let's go through. Let's go see, man. Come on. Let's see if we can find this deer. Where'd he go, bud? I think he was going this way a little bit. I think he was kind of going this way. I don't know, though. Get up in front of me, see if you can help me find him. I think he was going up here, bud. Was it through there? No, I think he was up here. I saw him kind of turn down the road just a little bit. Then he stepped in the woods and I couldn't find him. Where's he at? Keep looking, bud. Keep looking. I think he had horns. So maybe you'll see the horns. What? We found him? Where is he here? Oh, dude! What is it, Wyatt? What is it? Pick up. Oh, a 4-point buck, man! Woo! Woohoo! Dude, get down there. Pick up his head. Let me see his head. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, dude. He's got 4 horns. Wyatt. Holy cow, Wild Hog. That's incredible. Oh my goodness, look at this shot. No wonder there was no blood. Holy cow. No wonder there was no blood. There's one hole, and look where he's at. Pawpaw, you think that was a good shot or what? Pawpaw, holy cow, dude. This is like a sniper. He's one hole right through there, man. He crushed him. Wild Hog. Dude, that's awesome. Hey, get on there and let's get a picture with him. Come on, get down there. Here, hold up his head like this. Hold up his head like that. Okay? Here. Then hold the gun beside you. Hold the gun beside you like that. Show him to me. Oh, Wyatt. Wyatt Coffee. First deer right here, Bubba. First deer he's ever killed. 4-point buck.